Vascu Flow Drops are marketed as a heart and circulation support supplement, but when you look closer, it's essentially a generic brand. The packaging and formula are nearly identical to dozens of cayenne pepper liquid blends sold on Amazon under different names. This kind of white label approach means the product isn't unique. It's just another version of the same formula being resolved, just like this one. It's the brand called Clean Nutra. They have the same packaging. So the main ingredient, cayenne pepper, does have potential health benefits. Research suggests it may help boost metabolism, improve circulation, and support vascular wellness. But these benefits come from the ingredient itself, not from any special innovation by Vascu Flow. In fact, the same cayenne-based blends are available from multiple sellers, often at lower prices. Vascu Flow Drops are not a unique breakthrough supplement. They are a rebranded cayenne pepper formula you can find under many names on Amazon. While cayenne pepper itself may offer health benefits, you can search up this article right here from Healthline. The product's packaging and sales tactics make it look more like a scam than a legitimate innovation.